Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how can you install Claude Code CLI into your Windows PC. So you have to write this Claude Code CLI install in your search bar in Google, and then you will find this quick start Claude Code docs. So you have to open this and it will take you to this Claude Code docs page, and you have to scroll a bit and you will find the installation command for Mac OS, Windows PowerShell, and Windows CMD. So for now, I'm gonna copy this Windows PowerShell command, and I will open my terminal, and you can see that this is my Windows PowerShell, and I will paste this command over here and click enter. So you have to wait a couple of minutes for it to get installed. So let's wait for some time for it to get installed. Perfect. So my Claude is installed. You can see Claude Code successfully installed. But there is this setup notes that is native installation exists, but C users is not in your path. Edit by opening system properties, environment variables, edit user path, new, add the path above, then restart your terminal. Okay, perfect. So I have to, okay, now so I will open my Windows plus S and click this edit system environment variables. Go to environment variables, okay, and double click on this, single click on this path and click edit. And now over here click new, and I will paste this, sorry, not this one. Okay, so I will paste this, click new and paste this. Okay, click OK. Okay, perfect. Now I will click OK. Okay, and I will close this terminal, close this environment where, okay. I will open the terminal again and paste the following command, Claude version. So it's currently showing me the current version of Claude which I have installed, which is 2.1.245. So this is how you can install Claude Code in your PC. And in the next videos, I will show you other things you can do with Claude Code CLI. So stay tuned and follow me for more updates. Thank you.